What's up, guys? Dave here. Hey, check it out. I got this Boya BY-M1. I got this courtesy of Tammy Sypniewski. Thank you, Tammy. Got to give you a big shout out here. All right, guys, you need to go to her channel. Her name is Tammy, Tammy Sypniewski, Sypniewski. So I got this lav mic from her on a contest, and I've never seen one like this before. So this is you know, I could have ran the cord through my shirt and come out here on the collar part, but I wanted to show everything here for demonstration purposes. You got a little on-off switch here, and I don't know what they call this, but it's a battery operated system. And you unscrew this, and there it is, the battery. It's a pretty thick, you know, one of the wafer style type of ones. You can see it in there. And so I got it turned on. I have it in my GoPro Hero 3 because my other action, all I have is action cams and a smartphone. I know it won't work on my smartphone because nothing ever does. But on the I got the Osmo Pocket, or no, excuse me, Osmo Action, and there's no way to plug it in, and they don't have an adapter yet. So I've got a Yi Lite, and same thing, no adapter, so you can't plug it in there. The Osmo Pocket, there is a audio adapter for that. But I haven't got it yet. It's quite expensive, so anyway. But just want to test this out and see how it's doing. I'm sure it's going to work fine. Again, thank you, Tammy. Big shout outs to you. And you guys go to her channel. If you have LumaFusion editing software, go to her channel. She's got some good tutorials to show you. And I have it on my iPad, but it won't work. So now I use the Power Director 17 I've had for a while. I don't know why the LumaFusion, you know, I can get it, I can edit something, but if I not upload to like YouTube, but transfer the files to my what do they call it? Well, anyway, it's oh man, I can't even think of the word. Flash drive. Woo! Couldn't think of it, but I try to transfer the file to the flash drive, and it'll get about 98%, and then just stop. So I don't know what's wrong with it. I may need, you know, another iPad. I'd like to get another iPad mini, but sure would like an iPad Pro, but we'll see. Anyway, all right, thanks again, Tammy, and you guys go to her channel. You got LumaFusion. She's got some tutorials for you. All right, thanks again, guys. Thank you, Tammy, and everybody hit that like button down here. It's right over here. It's pretty simple. All right, later on, guys. See ya.